it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today I am donning a bare face because we are going to be trying out the Biovene pink peel-off mask for clarifying and firming and hydrating. If you are interested to see how this mask works, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so I received this pink peel-off mask from Biovene Barcelona. They also gave me a cute little bow headband, which I'm going to wear right now because it's so cutie wooty and it's super soft. It's like really fleecy. But I got this pink peel-off mask and it comes with a little like spatula for applying it. And this pink peel-off mask is clarifying, firm, and hydrated, skin restoring, moisturizing nourishment. Activated charcoal with strawberry collagen and argan oil and more. Suitable for all skin tones, up to 30 applications. This, I looked online, retailed for around USD, like United States dollars, around $12.99, so $12.99. It says, begin with opening up your pores, wash your face, dry, la la la. Apply the mask, let it dry. It's going to take about 30 minutes to dry. Rinse and hydrate. Okay. So I do have a little bit of glitter highlighter right there. So let me take that off real quick. Done. Right. So, ooh. It smells really good. It smells like sherbet, you know? It doesn't like, I think a lot of people said that this had a strawberry scent to it. It smells more like sherbet to me. And it looks kind of like Jigglypuff melted down. But it feels nice. So all I'm going to do is apply a thin layer all around my skin and then wait for it to dry and come back and see what happens. I feel like I'm applying this really too thick. Let's see what the tube says while we're waiting for this to dry down. Biovene Pink Peel-Off Mask is the next level peel-off mask utilizing a combination of star ingredients. Strawberries are packed with vitamins, high levels of antioxidants. Sodium hyaluronate is considered more effective for skin than pure hyaluronic acid due to its greater compatibility. Activated charcoal draws out impurities for a clean and fresh looking skin. Collagen for skin firmness, less roughness, and wrinkle depth. Argan oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, linoleic acids, and essential omega fatty acids, which makes it a more protective, nourishing superfood for the skin. We are applied. I really like this little spatula thing that it came with, only because then I didn't have to get my hands all dirty. And have you ever applied a mask and like you feel like you have more mask on your hands than you do your face? Has that happened to anybody else? Also, can we just talk about how much I actually look like Kirby right now? Like, it's uncanny, the resemblance of my namesake. It's actually not my namesake. My name was inspired by a vacuum cleaner, not the video game. Fun fact about me. So we're gonna wait for this to dry down. So it says 30 applications, and I have used this once before. I feel like, based on the weight of this tube and how much is on my face, I don't know if you could get 30 applications, and maybe I used too much. That could be it. I might have used like way too much, or maybe I used too little. But I feel like 30 applications is an overestimate of how much is in this little tube. I think a more conservative number would be like 10 to 15, if that makes sense. Ooh, I already started feeling like really, really tight. It smells delicious though, just like I did a video a little while back on their magnetic peel-off masks. Or, not peel-off, their magnetic mask. It like magnets off your face, and that smelled amazing too. And this smells amazing, so at least their products are smelling amazing. I have used that magnet mask a few other times, and it is top notch. I'm going to go relax and probably do some work, wait for this all to dry and set, and come back to see the peel off, because when I peeled it off before off camera, like when I tried it, like first impressions before I came on and did a video, the peeling off situation was a little intense. So hopefully this time around, since it's like thicker on my skin, it won't be as intense, but time will only tell with that. I also have a lot of hair on my face. I know, now I'm starting to ramble and you're all gonna tell me in the comment section, just get to it already. I understand. But I have a lot of hair on my face. Like, I have a very hairy face. I bleach the hair on my face because I'm not gonna shave it, because I'm not going to be that like 85-year-old woman who has a beard because when she was 20-something she shaved her face. No. I bleach the hair on my face, and so it's really, really light and fine, but sometimes when I wear peel-off masks, because I have a very hairy face, the removal process tends to be a little bit more, like I said, intense than most other women who have smooth, non-hairy facial skin. So I will be back in 30 minutes. It is 3:49 right now. Look at Amberly. It is 3:49 right now. I will be back, what? We'll round up to 50. So 4:20, around there, 4:20, 4:30, and then we will remove this mask. But if you can already see, it's starting to get tight. So I will see you in 30 minutes. Okay, so I am back. I can't move my face all that well. It is fairly dry. There are still some like tacky places, but we will adjust accordingly, taking it off. Alright. Oh! So it's definitely easier taking it off this time around. And I think the longer you wait, the easier it is to take off. Woo! But it's still an intense feeling. Ow! Woo! Oh, I'm almost there. I almost have it in one piece. Except this where it's tacky. So I will have to say, it took off like a good bit of hair. Oh, it took off a good bit of hair. Which is fine. I would rather it take something off than nothing. And it took off a couple of my scabs. Because, you know, gross. I have gross, nasty skin. And it's taken off like a little bit. I don't think this is meant to like extract anything like other black charcoal face masks are, like peel-off masks. I think this is really just supposed to like rejuvenate your skin. However, you can't blame me for like looking, because the feeling of peeling something off is very, very intense. And so you cannot fault a person for thinking that maybe something more came out. So now I'm just going to take the rest of this mask off with some water. and a cotton ball. Whew. My skin feels like tingly now. So $12.99 for the Biovene Barcelona pink peel off face mask. It smells delicious, like strawberry sherbet. Like, I don't know even how to describe the scent. It smells so good. It does leave your skin feeling very, very smooth. So I personally notice, like, immediately that my skin feels a little bit smoother and a little bit more even. However, it is very tingly currently. So there is a little bit of, if your skin is sensitive, this might not be the mask for you. The magnetic face mask might be a little bit better. If you have a little bit more like normal / tough skin, you might be able to use the peel off mask. Whenever somebody's reviewing skincare, you always have to remember that you need to take into account your own skin type and skin sensitivity, because just because somebody else is reviewing something and it works really well for them doesn't mean it always will work for you. However, these masks that I've tried from Biovene Barcelona have been really, really great for all skin types. They say all skin types. My husband has tried some, I've tried some, and we have both found that they're really, really nice. And, I feel like I was talking with my friend Erica, if you're watching, hey Erica, a little while ago, and we were talking about how, like, face masks are so big right now, and, like, there's such a moment in the beauty space and just kind of, like, with younger people in general, and it's because she said that it's such an inexpensive way of treating yourself and making you feel like you're taking care of yourself. And it isn't just making you feel like you're taking care of yourself, you actually are taking care of yourself and you're taking care of your skin. And so face masks, again, I'm rambling, I know. Face masks, especially like $12.99 for a tube where you can get like many uses out of this tube. It's a really good way of just kind of treating yourself and making sure that your skin is super healthy and super great. If you are interested in trying this pink face mask, I will link a link in the description box below so that you can check it out if you are interested. They actually gave me a smaller tube to put in a giveaway, which I will probably be putting up on my channel this coming Thursday or Instagram. Be sure you're following me on Instagram. I will put my handle here, but it's at Kirby Rose Beauty. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. And what's your favorite face mask? What is your favorite peel-off mask, face mask, whatever recommendations? Let me know all of that in the comment section below, because you know your girl likes a good face mask. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.